radar. Breckinridge County in north central Kentucky, Hancock County in northwest Kentucky, northern Edmonson County in south central Kentucky, Grayson County in south central Kentucky, until 4:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 3:47 p.m. Central Daylight Time, National Weather Service Doppler radar indicated a line of severe thunderstorms capable of producing quarter-size hail and damaging winds in excess of 60 miles per hour. These storms were located along a line extending from 9 miles west of Belleville to 7 miles southwest of Heights Falls to 14 miles west of Round Hill, moving east at 50 miles per hour. Severe thunderstorms will also impact Leachfield, Mossville, Hardinsburg, Yeaman and Wedlerstown, Chambers and Victoria Crossroads, Windyville and Tarfork, Skillman and Dud. Excessive lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Stay away from windows. Report severe weather to local law enforcement and have them relay your report to the National Weather Service in Louisville.
Double header. Double header, baby. Woo!